Hey y'all, my name is Lindsay Nix and I am one of the Forbes Heber & Wallace reps for the Houston area. We represent quite a few manufacturers that you have either sold or maybe seen in your customers' kitchens. Before we get started, I want to remind you that with the current supply chain issues, to make sure you check with your Forbes Heber & Wallace rep or your E&S specialist that there is stock in either your warehouse or ours. I'm going to go over a variety of fun things from TableCraft, some new and fun, and some of our old faithfuls. Everything we go over as of now is in stock, but there's no telling what tomorrow might look like. First up are some of the new buffet, caterware, and beverage servers from TableCraft. We are showing off here one of the new display stands. This acacia and black powder-coated piece also comes in a rectangular option, perfect for displaying baked goods, fruit, and grab-and-go options. One of the current trends for catering is to have grab-and-go and disposable options for people to move quickly and have less touch points for your customers. We have the disposable taco stands, the multi-purpose plastic mason jars, the pouches on different display pieces to give us some variety in styles. The black and white piece shown is just one of many in our enamelware collection, the perfect farm-to-table look. The black bowl you see is actually melamine for those of your customers who are concerned about weight or breakable items. We have a variety of melamine vessels from 1.5 ounces in size all the way up to 13 quart. We have most styles and sizes of risers and display boards and bowls that someone could be looking for. Moving on to the drink dispensers. We have a lot of options from compact and easy to store like the stackable dispenser you see here on the left to the new upscale beverage dispenser with sleek brushed stainless lid and base you see on the right. Both of these dispensers come with removable ice cores and infusion tubes. Next, we have tabletop and serving items. First, you'll see the cool new fajita platter with 4 cutouts for salsas, toppings, or whatever your customer can come up with. Then we have a couple of pieces from our Europa collection. It gives you the artisanal stoneware look with the durability and lightweight of melamine. TableCraft has expanded their basket and serving options, now offering more non-traditional stainless steel wire baskets, stainless or aluminum pie servers, along with the traditional favorite plastic baskets that we know and love. Here we have a couple of our melamine ramekins. TableCraft has plenty of styles and stainless in a variety of sizes. You'll also see the melamine version of the taco taxi along with the wire stainless taxi. There's also some new fry cups here. They come in a square and triangle shape and can be brushed, hammered, or a stone washed stainless finish. Last but not least, you'll see just one size of the new stackable bowls with lids that can also double as plates. They are perfect for grab and go, room service, or cafeteria style dining. Last but not least is our kitchen tools and bar solutions. TableCraft has expanded their high heat silicone and stainless tools that provide a durable, flexible, scratch resistant serving option. They also have expanded their handle colors for their food turners, pizza cutters, and other tools that are the same great quality, but some customers might just prefer the black handle over the white. The new silicone funnel is perfect for both the back of house and behind the bar. Next up, you'll see the beverage tub, perfect for not only holding drinks, but could be a riser, or down here on the Gulf Coast, it would be perfect to serve crawfish. The plastic mason jars and to-go pouches, while can be used for other things, are perfect for to-go drinks. Both are sealable, come in 3 sizes for an individual drink or a pitcher's worth. We have new plastic carafes with lids that would be perfect for patio serving. And finally, you'll see that TableCraft has anything someone from behind the bar would need to make a cocktail. We have the traditional stainless version, a brushed stainless, and the one that is shown with random etched finishing. Thanks for walking through some of my favorite items from TableCraft. If you have any questions, need samples, or want some of the new 2022 catalogs, please be sure to reach out to your FH&W rep. I hope you have a great Essentials Escape, and remember that we are here to help in any way that we can. Thanks, and have a great day.